Okay, so we're going to do problems A and C from the warm-up for lesson 5. And again, we're just trying to simplify these expressions to get a value for x. For all of them, we're going to get 2 values for x, and that's because we have this plus or minus in there for all of them, right? So looking at the first one, x equals -5 plus or minus the square root of 81 divided by 4. My first step is to try to simplify the square root of 81. In this case, that's really easy because 81 is a perfect square number. So Sam, what's the square root of 81? 9. Good. So the square root of 81 is equal to just a 9, right? Or a plus or minus 9. So I come down and I set this up as x equals -5 plus or minus 9 over 4. Cool? Now at this point, I'm to the place where I need to divide this up into one expression with a plus and one expression with a minus. So my first expression is going to be x equals -5 plus 9 over 4. My second expression is going to be x equals -5 minus 9 over 4. With me so far? Morgan, you good? Okay. Now, if I just calculate these, -5 plus 9 would give me a +4. So this would be equal to a +4 divided by 4. And what's 4 divided by 4? Good. So my first answer is a 1, +1. Or, in this case, x would equal -5 minus 9 over 4. That would be a -14 over 4. And now I just see if I can simplify that fraction. They're both are multiples of 2, but 14 and 4 are. So I end up with x would equal a -7 over 2. So my first answer was a +1. My second answer was a -7 over 2. So I just come down and I just write my answer as x equals 1 or x equals -7 over 2. And this is my final answer right here. Notice how I have 2 solutions for x because of this plus or minus right here. Cool? Any questions? Make sense? Have fun? Good times? All right, can I clear it?